Hi, cats and kittens. Let's get out of here. It's in the 40s, and we're looking mainly again for scrap metal, but the snow still hasn't melted down, so who knows what we're gonna find. Come on along.
Let's just have some fun.
We are nearing the eve of the anniversary of my birth. So I expect to have an abundance and joy. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
You're beautiful.
Do 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 do. Sorry. Years of smoking. An old shower door.
Cemented in.
Oh, I see some copper. See that copper piece down there?
It'll be hard to get out there.
That's
heavy.
Look at a bin. Sterilite.
With a lid, and it doesn't seem to be cracked or anything.
Interesting. Give me that strong thing.
The gardening tool. Oh yeah. How's that? How's that, cats and kittens? No, I don't think I'm gonna take that. Awesome! All right. And that means we are on the way.
Whew. So you got it.
Indeed I did. With the lid.
Does it actually fit? Is it a real Sterilite? Holy moly.
Is.
But it doesn't have... Oh yeah. Nice. Nice find.
Not even a crack.
I always like coming here. Only in the winter, really, when metal's harder to find.
Red pop if I put mine in that.
We don't really need any more chips because we got a ton. Do you really want that? The red one?
Yeah, red one, a cola, and an orange.
All right, I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know. Is it worth it?
It's probably not any good. All right, I think I can get it. Here, maybe if we both did it, put your other one on it. Two, three. Nope.
Well, if I do the end, you do the middle.
Oh, the middle?
Yeah.
It doesn't hold it.
It's not worth it. If it was Pepsi, it'd be another. No, I'd be in there.
Anyway, so we can just probably just put these in here. It's metal? Oh yeah. Get the hoe.
Get the hoe.
Where is it? Good eye.
Thank you.
That's gonna be hard to get out. Try to get it out of the box first. Must have had that replaced.
Where are your gloves?
All right. All kinds of interesting things. Maybe I should put it in the back.
It's already there now. Everything else going in the back.
All right. All right, well, we're getting some stuff.
Yeah. Nice.
We always get stuff from them.
I have to say, for on a roll.
These people are going crazy out here. Is that metal? All kinds of illegal dumping.
Oh, well, what's that?
I'm gonna turn around.
Just blowing off the building.
All this garbage over here. Where's the dogs at?
Who let the dogs out? See the
Piece of wood.
some piece of wood I
Oh,
thought was,
yeah. Nodding. Uh-huh.
Drain pipe.
Right.
Nanner, boo-boo. Piece of wood.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, that's all we were driving by.
All right, you're gonna have to get it because there's a pile of water over here.
I'm going. There we go. Oh, quicksand.
Do you want me to back up?
No, I'll put it in the back. Sucked in like quicksand.
I don't see if it fell anywhere. Sweet. It's windy.
Yeah.
We're getting there, guys. We are getting there.
A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Yuck. All right, see if this thing over here is metal. That thing right there.
There.
That thing. It's like a car door. Nope.
The plastic insides.
That's
They took
what
the
I
good
was
parts.
afraid of.
The good parts are gone.
Ooh. There's nothing in there.
That would have been fun. And yet another Christmas tree.
But it is scrap metal, guys. What you looking at? You're dirty. Uh-oh. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Making it harder and harder.
Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, I would. Where's my stick? Oh, here it is. Now here's some merch. Awesome. Box. These are foods. Oh, there's stuff here. You guys can see that. Don't want this. Some stuff. I don't know why these cracked. Maybe the one underneath isn't. Yeah. What's that? You got the thing? It's right there.
There's something under it too.
What, this?
That box. See if there's anything in that box.
I don't, it doesn't feel like it's very heavy.
Do I see 3 plates?
You want those?
The red.
Bunch of Valentine's Day cards.
Now you got one for next year.
Yeah, if I could find them. How am I gonna find them?
We gotta find a special place. Envelopes that go all year round.
You want the envelopes too?
Don't go out of your way to get them.
Yeah, I like those too. Oh, there's more of these. All right, here you do some. My arm is hurting. Our version of eternity. Ready motion.
La 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 la. Holy shit. The more I pull out, the more falls from somewhere else. Unending.
Love. Our version of Tommy Girl. We'll have to get ourselves all perfumed up.
Oh, these ones are good. We can have a whole table of these. People like them. You can put it down if you need to.
I'm gonna go get the other one. Here, let me get this one in the van, all right? It's always important to move your merchandise to your vehicle. Ew. Sorry.
I'm glad you didn't hit me with the pink stuff. messing with my honey hole now. You covered up where I was getting all the stuff at.
Oh, shit. My whole thing came out. All right, do you think we have enough of these? I don't even know if people are gonna want to buy them.
Trust me. They're new from the box.
All right, here we go. This is what we got, guys.
Scrap metal.
All right.
Got red ones, blue ones, beige ones. Body lotion and perfume. Luxury. Well, that didn't take long to load up the van, did it?
Kids, this is what we got. Look at all the perfumes. What is this? Luxury women.
Lotion and fragrance.
Red Emotion. Our version of Red Door.
Huh. And there's like 100 of those.
So we got a ton of those.
Different brands, different flavors, whatever you call it. Okay, some a little bit cracked up.
Planter
things. We can use.
Maybe
They're
just
a little bit cracked up.
I didn't see that.
Yeah,
part.
we won't sell them, but we could use them.
Don't forget our case of chips.
Oh yes, yet another case of chips.
I know, right?
See if we can get any of these.
There might be one on the bottom.
So, yeah, I think that one.
Colors and shapes. Cards
and envelopes. Yes, got bunches.
Oh, cool.
Card games and stuff.
1, 2, 3. Build a word.
Oops, some are falling out of their boxes now.
Sassy chick.
Oh, nail stuff. You are a sassy chick, all right.
Onions. LeeAnn likes these. She often has a hankering for them.
Often? Like when was the last time? I've never bought those in my entire life.
She likes this crap too.
You brought the
the
slime home. But I like this.
These are all kind of broken, but we're going to use them for our flea market stuff.
They can hold things. I don't think they're all
And this is just stuff we'll probably throw away.
I
don't know why I grabbed that. I just grabbed the whole box.
Chicken crisps.
Ooh, is this in there? I always need these.
Oh, these are good.
These elastic bandages, but I don't see it.
I see some gross stuff in there, Michelle.
Yeah, burrito.
You brought that stuff. Now, if I would have brought that home, we'd be in trouble.
No.
She'd be throwing fits right now. Do we need this?
All right, there's some. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh, I like those.
There's another one I believe in there. There's Zinni. So we're gonna go inside. We got a package and we wanna
Yes.
open it. How I spend most of my days. Okay, guys, this is the package I got. I'm very happy about this flag.
That is the coolest.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely put it up. It's when they played in London in 2017.
We certainly never had anything like
Yeah,
that.
hold it up. Yes. We definitely will be putting it up. And I got a beautiful Christmas card, birthday card. Thank you so much for the package, Melanie and Aphrodite.
We love you. Hi, Aphrodite.
And now we're gonna try this.
Ah, yes.
This is what we were excited about.
So, I don't know. You must have picked it up from one of our other videos, or it was just a lucky guess that you love shortbread cookies. Everyone comes around when it's snack time.
It's very narrow field of vision, so.
I'm not moving at all.
Okay, here we go. Really good.
Now that's a real shortbread cookie.
Paterson's or Patterson's, and we were amazed that it had Braille on it.
I used to teach at a school for blind children.
Is that something you guys have to have over there? Braille on all your packaging?
We should here.
All right, let's look at these animals here. Zinni, your moment. And
Lucky.
all right, thanks a lot for coming along with us. We love you guys.
We love you.
See ya.
Don't forget to check out our other channel. Like, subscribe, share, share, share.
Bye-bye.